So Lamborghini has unveiled their new car, and I'm interested in seeing it.
We are here at the Quail, and they just revealed the brand new Lamborghini that replaces the Huracan. It is the Temerario.
Yep.
And the best part about that is it quite literally means in Italian, reckless.
That sums up America's driving right there, reckless.
So I present you the Temerario right here.
I've already seen the front. The hood definitely looks a little different.
V8 twin turbo with hybrid.
Well,
now,
yeah.
Guys, 907 brake horsepower.
907, okay. So that's really close to the Revuelto. I was expecting this to be like 600-700. That's pretty good, 900. We all know it's going to be faster than the Corvette anyway.
Motors, 3 in total, 2 in the front wheels, 1 in the rear transmission. But if this car is actually in hybrid only mode,
okay,
you get 188 brake horsepower just to the front wheels, making this the very first Lamborghini front wheel drive.
Oh, I've never heard of a front wheel. I've heard of rear wheel and four wheel. I've never heard of front wheel drive. Okay, so
you can actually see that in these new slit headlights, you can actually stick your...
Oh, that's kind of cool. So yeah, so they've definitely it's like a mix of the Gallardo and the Huracan. Okay, people were making fun of me for saying it wrong. I don't even know how to say it, and I don't really care. I'm just gonna say Huracan because I'm American.
Much aero now into the front end of this car.
Yeah, I like that hexagon there.
Hexagon style front fog lights or driving lights. They have a lot of like new tech up in the front bumper.
Yes, I'm assuming that's for like tracking the like censoring what's on the road for parking stuff. That or track purposes, but I'll admit it's cooler than I was expecting. Okay, so the side's pretty much the same.
The best part about this car,
I don't like those wheels. I'm not a humongous fan of. Like, I mean, they're gonna have options, but I do not. Those are not what I would go with. Okay, let's see the rear. Oh, that's different. That they put a lot more effort into that.
The current new design of the engine bay.
Those rear lights are cool. I like those. That is the coolest part of the car. I really like that.
And that is the SCV12, the race car. Have this design of a taillight in the back. So they've also gone ahead and made the rear bumper a lot more aggressive, showing a complete half of the
I
tire.
like that. See, my favorite car is the Centenario, and I always loved that the aggressive, how like from behind the tires. I like what they're doing here. That's cool.
The most daily driven exotic Lamborghinis come out with. So,
yeah, like that is a much different look than I was expecting. See, you know what I'm kind of getting right here? It kind of like the top half gives me Revuelto vibes, and I like that. Oh my goodness, the bowl is there. The Revuelto bowl is there, but it's like it's miniaturized. And that is cool. So, okay, we got a little bit of a better view here. See, I'm a big fan of those taillights. And, like, the exhaust, the hexagon, pretty much what Lamborghini's known for, have it in the rear lights and the exhaust. I love that. I'm not a humongous fan of those rims. Okay, hello? See inside? I want to see inside. Sad face, we can't see inside. I got a Revuelto here, whatever. Okay, sadly we can't see inside. You know, seeing it now, it definitely has a much more aggressive look than I was expecting. Like, it definitely has the Revuelto's S on the side. It definitely has that bowl that I think is super cool Easter egg. Would I buy this car? Yes, I definitely would. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell.